Walter the rat had a dream: win the big cheese bounce contest. But Head never even left his tunnel. Today, he zipped up his backpack and took a deep breath. He waved goodbye to his bed and scampered into the garden. The world outside was huge. He tumbled over roots and popped out into sunlight. A butterfly zoomed past and startled him into a cartwheel. He landed in a soft patch of moss and laughed. "Okay," he said, "let's bounce." He jumped off a rock. Splat. Too flat. He tried a flower boing. Too flimsy. Then a mushroom. Woo. Too spinny. "Nothing's right," he huffed. Just then, a cricket hopped by. "Try the trampoline leaf in Clover Corner," it chirped. Walter ran, tail wagging. He reached Clover Corner and found the giant leaf. He tested it. Boing, boing. Perfect. He practiced bounces, flips, and twirls. By sunset, he was ready. The next day, the contest began. Rats from all over cheered and flipped. Walter waited, then launched. He soared, he spun, he squeaked.